Hey, welcome back to another live video here on Instagram, and welcome back if you're watching this on replay on Facebook or on YouTube or any platform you are watching this. Yes, I am Israel from IsraelNavarro.com, and today I'm going to talk to you how I went from a high school student to running an online business. It's not an easy thing to have done, especially when you make a leap of faith into entrepreneurship at 18 years old. There's a lot of things you don't know. At 18 years old, you're super young. You don't know nothing about life. So yes, if you're a high school student and you're about to graduate, or you know jack shit about life, because you're going to start, let me tell you, once you get out of that bubble, it is. Making this decision, obviously, to start this, skipping college, do I recommend everyone to do it? No, because for some of you guys, college is a very important time in your life, and if you're in college, enjoy it. Don't stress too much about the papers. Do not stress much about your courses, but enjoy that moment. Enjoy that time of being a college student. But let's say you guys are into wanting to make your own money. You want to go into entrepreneurship. Well, I'm going to help you guys. I'm going to share you things that I did that actually helped me. And one of the first things is to do, I learned and understood the industry. Yes, this is not an easy industry to do. A lot of people, even though they want to work from home or they want to have an opportunity to be able to use the internet to their advantage, don't feel comfortable about it. So when you make this leap of faith, you really got to understand, learn it, and when you're learning about it, not only do you learn the technical side, but I'm going to say like 99% of the time, you have to learn about yourself. You're going to have to develop yourself. You're going to focus on yourself. You got to change your mindsets. And I'm going to give you a big secret, guys. To this day, I'm still working on improving myself to be a better person, to go on to that next level. So don't feel that pressure. Go on from there. Now, here's the second thing. And if you guys have any questions, comments, please feel free to put them in the section below. Comment live if you're watching this live. I'm gladly going to answer that. Now, the second thing you got to do is get a support system. What is this? You're going to have to get the right mentors. You are going to get yourself people that are going to help you, help guide you in this journey. Now, a lot of us sometimes don't have the opportunity to get a mentor. I was very fortunate enough that when I decided to get into the industry and decided to learn this, I connected to people that were already achieving success. And when I'm telling you achieving a success, one of them probably was making $500 a month, while the other was just making $8,000 a month, and there was another one that was making $100,000 a month. But these were people I connected to, I listened to them, and I was getting my results from being 18 years old. Now, what's the key thing here? You got to make sure that the person that's mentoring you is better off than you. You don't want to get a mentor and then buy a guy that's not making money. You always want to find someone that is better off than you, that has the knowledge, that can coach you, and also call you on your bullshit. We have to keep it that way, so that way you can keep on progressing and you keep on achieving. Now, here's the third thing, and you got to start forming a team around you. Yes, you have to build a team. Well, it's a very tough thing because a lot of people at 18 years old do not see the vision you have. And especially a lot of people I went to school with were not seeing what I said. They just thought I was crazy. Well, that crazy kid right now is traveling Mexico, traveling to Colombia, traveling to different parts of the U.S., even during a pandemic time. So it wasn't crazy after all. But you need to have a team, and you need some people to work with, because sadly you can't do it all. So you're going to have to learn to delegate, and one of my videos here on Instagram as well as on my YouTube channel, you can see about delegating work with your team. I highly recommend you guys look that up. But that's what it is. You have to have a team, because if you do it all by yourself, I guarantee you within 30 days you're going to burn out, you're going to quit, you don't want to do it, you're not going to have fun. So you got to start forming that team around you. Obviously, sadly, yes, some of the people I started with today are not with me no more, but I keep on building my team. I keep on working with those who are working with me. Obviously, I notice the strengths and weaknesses each one of my team has, and I go out there and I help them so that way they can maximize their results. That is the cool thing, and that's something I highly, highly recommend. If you guys are into this, look for your team. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is becoming a leader. Yes. when you put yourself in a position where you're going to form a team, even if you have a support system and you're learning, you have to be a leader that is committed to always working on himself, a leader that is committed to when he meets with other leaders to learn from them, ask them questions, but also offer something in return for them. And 3, your team is going to need your support. When you do this, guys, that's how you're going to be able to build your online business. That's the key thing. And trust me, it has cost me a lot being in a position of leader. It's been difficult, yes, especially when you are in a position and people are older than you. Sometimes they hesitate because you are older than them. They think they're wiser than you, or sometimes they just don't give you respect. And you have to sit there knowing that this is happening. You stay there, you stay focused, and you stay determined on achieving that goal. So guys, if these 4 tips have helped you, let me know. And if you guys are serious, 100% learning how to build a business online, or want to be a part of my team and I help teach you to build online, this is what I'm going to recommend you guys to do. I'm going to recommend you guys go on to the link in my bio, or if you're watching this on replay, in the comment section below, IsraelNavarro.com. Put your name, your email, sign up for it, and you will get my first ebook, as well as many, if you decide to work with me, many emails will teach you how to get that started, as well as the information you guys may need. So guys, I hope this information is awesome for you guys. I hope content like this helps you out. And please, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am glad to help you out. Thank you so much for joining. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. God bless you.